Welcome to our exciting video all about tools. In this video, you'll explore 100 different tools, complete with pictures, names, and a simple explanation of what each one is used for. From everyday tools like hammers and screwdrivers to creative ones like paintbrushes. Please listen carefully and repeat. Hammer used for pounding nails into wood or other materials. Screwdriver used for tightening or loosening screws. Wrench used to turn nuts and bolts. Pliers used for gripping, bending, or cutting wires. Tape measure used to measure length, width, or height. Saw used to cut wood or other materials. Drill used for making holes in materials like wood or metal. Level used to check if a surface is straight or flat. Chisel used for carving or cutting hard materials like wood or stone. Sandpaper used to smooth rough surfaces. Paintbrush used for applying paint. Roller used for spreading paint over large areas. Ladder used to reach high places. Shovel used for digging holes in soil. Rake used for gathering leaves or smoothing soil. Trowel used for digging small holes in gardening. Wheelbarrow used for carrying heavy materials. Axe used for chopping wood. Hoe used for breaking up soil in the garden. Crowbar used for prying or lifting heavy objects. Anvil used as a surface for hammering metal. Nail gun used to drive nails into wood quickly. Sledgehammer used for breaking big rocks or other heavy materials. Spanner used to grip and turn pipes or bolts. Vise used to hold objects in place while working on them. Socket wrench used to tighten or loosen bolts with a socket. Stapler used to join papers together by driving metal staples through them. Glue gun used to apply hot glue for sticking things together. Wire cutter used for cutting wires. Clamp used to hold materials together while working. Utility knife used for cutting various materials like cardboard or plastic. File used for smoothing or shaping metal or wood. Safety goggles used to protect eyes while working. Hard hat used to protect the head from falling objects. Ear protection used to protect ears from loud noises. Gloves used to protect hands while working. Tool belt used to carry tools around the waist. Measuring tape used for measuring distances. Spirit level used to make sure things are straight and level. Mallet used to tap or hit something without damaging it. Bolt cutters used for cutting metal bolts. Hacksaw used for cutting metal or plastic. Electric sander used for smoothing wood quickly. Pipe wrench used to grip and turn pipes. Tongs used for holding hot or cold items. Socket set used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts with different sizes. Drill bits used in a drill for making holes of different sizes. Jigsaw used for cutting curves and shapes in wood. Tile cutter used for cutting tiles. Plunger used for unclogging drains and toilets. Stud finder used for locating studs behind walls. Rotary tool used for grinding, sanding, or cutting. Caulking gun used to apply sealants or adhesives. Putty knife used for applying or removing putty. Rivet gun used for joining materials with rivets. Punch used for making holes in materials like leather or metal. Heat gun used for heating surfaces or materials. Squeegee used for cleaning windows. Air compressor used for powering air tools or inflating tires. Crowfoot wrench used to reach bolts in tight spaces. Allen wrench used for tightening or loosening hexagonal bolts. Combination square used for measuring and marking right angles. Digital caliper used for measuring thickness or width precisely. Feather duster used for dusting surfaces. Screw extractor used for removing stripped screws. Torque wrench used to apply specific torque to nuts and bolts. Multimeter used for measuring electrical voltage and current. Clamp meter used to measure electric current without touching wires. Crimping tool used for attaching connectors to cables. Staple gun used for attaching materials with staples. Brad nailer used for driving small nails into wood. Angle grinder used for grinding or cutting metal. Bench grinder used for sharpening tools. Pressure washer used for cleaning surfaces with high-pressure water. Chainsaw used for cutting trees or large wood pieces. Hose reel used for storing garden hoses. Hose nozzle used for spraying water with different settings. Insulation tester used for testing electrical insulation. Electric screwdriver used for driving screws with power. Wire stripper used for removing the insulation from wires. Chalk line used for marking straight lines on surfaces. Laser level used for measuring and leveling with laser accuracy. Brick trowel used for spreading and leveling mortar. Miter saw used for making angled cuts in wood. Table saw used for cutting wood on a flat surface. Oscillating tool used for cutting and sanding in tight spaces. Portable work light used for lighting up a workspace. Floor jack used for lifting vehicles to change tires. Pin punch used for driving out pins from holes. Wire brush used for cleaning metal surfaces. Carpet cutter used for cutting carpets to size. Voltage tester used for detecting electrical voltage.
Please revise the lesson.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.